A Raymond Industrial offers a large standard product portfolio of plastic or metal panel retention clips. Standard trim clips are single-piece metal clips formed in a special shape. A U-shaped inner portion of the clip slides over the rib that is formed on the back side of the panel. Barbs on the inner U bite into the rib, increasing the retention of the part. These higher strength trim clips have an alternative barb construction that increases rib retention, but use the same basic assembly process. Once installed, no additional material handling is required. The robust design enables the part to be installed in sub-assembly locations in the plant, or assembly can also be outsourced to operations better suited for assembly. The clip is pushed into a hole in the mating panel. Assembly is very quick, no tools are required. The fastener is hidden, providing a cleaner look. The joint is serviceable, but repeated cycles could lead to degradation to the mating panel. Both fasteners provide adequate retention for decorative trim pieces and small industrial components in white goods, HVAC, and other industrial markets. These higher strength trim clips have even replaced screws in white goods panel assembly applications. Incorporating our trim clip in the conception of your products will improve assembly efficiency and reduce cost and time on your production line. To demonstrate its use, the service door has been modified to accommodate this trim piece. As you can see, assembly is quite simple, and the final assembly is free of visible fasteners. A Raymond Industrial fasteners allow you to replace traditional fastening methods with innovative solutions that combine aesthetics and functionality. They are quick and